Hello everyone. All right, we're straight into another episode. Okay, well, hope everyone's doing well. I'm gonna run through this kind of quick, more of like a 15-minute episode. I'm just getting my chart set up here and on to screen share. Hope you all are doing very well again. Yeah, here we go. All right, so let's talk about some price action. I think we had the rug pulled out. I think we had the Black Swan event, and things obviously look pretty nasty. But there's a nice higher low. You can see we tried a couple times, really cascading down into that area without much success. We're on an hourly chart, so this was not long ago. And I, all right. And so, yeah, I like the high. I really want to see a higher low. That's my big thing. If we can really sustain a higher low, this reversal candle looks fantastic, and it could represent a fantastic long-term reversal, I think, as well. Let's see what that looks like on something like the 4 hour. Yeah, I mean that's beautiful. Just want to see how high, like other timelines that people look at. As long as that wick is really prevalent. Let's see here. Nah, the daily doesn't really have the hammerish look. It's more of a 4 hour and below, I'm assuming, timeline thing. More of that reversal structure. So as long as we get a higher low, then I'm gonna be pretty happy with that. And it's pretty clear that we're gonna be facing some resistance in the low 70K area. Every time we've gotten up there, we get some trouble. So let's bring this back down to something small so we can see the previous intermittent signals. You can see that there's been some noise, some small trades in between. Might need to tweak some of these settings, but just for general market understanding purposes, position purposes, this is definitely looking a little, the support is strong, the resistance is definitely there. We might be fucking traumatized emotionally, Bitcoin. So with that being the impression, it could take weeks to months to recover, from this and get out of the 60s, but I do think we certainly are on our way. So that would probably be the major update. There's something coming along soon, and I don't think it's just time to show it. But there's some new order book tech that I will be showing you guys, and I think it'll be fun. It'll be very, very useful. That's the big thing is that really need to make it beautiful and perfect, and we got a really, really good start. So some good stuff coming our way there, to everyone. And yeah. So all right, well let's assume that this is a low that'll hold, and for the most part we should be moving in a general upward trajectory here on out. So at that, I will wrap it up. Any questions, you guys know how to get a hold of me. You can get to me at Joe_Saz on Telegram, and the Bitcoin Lounge. Of course, there's still the Discord channel, which we never really left, but things changed a bit. But feel free to reach out with any questions you guys may have.